We hustle daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. If you haven't already and you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell that's right by the subscribe button so you can be updated every time I upload a video, man. Make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. Y'all want to learn how to check out cars, full inspect cars. I don't care if you're trying to buy a car from a private party, the auction, the public auction. It don't matter where you're trying to buy a car from. I'm gonna make sure y'all get a good car to where you don't have to put no money into fixing the car. That's my whole thing. That's what I like doing. I don't want to put no money in the car. I just want to buy the car. I just want to flip it. If you're new to the channel, then I'm telling you that Hustle Nation, they already know that, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Let's get right into our Copart walk around today. Now, they don't have a whole lot of cars today, but I'm gonna just look at the stuff that I did come to look at, but it's not, they don't got too much today. I'm just gonna be honest with you, but let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, first up, see what we got here. I just want to see what this is real quick. They had all this stuff on it, caught my attention in this stuff to pop the hood. I mean, to make sure the hood don't oh, they got like a 350 or 305 in this joint. What is this? 125,000 miles. It's a Ford? It's a Ford, y'all, or it's a S10? It's a Chevy S10? Yeah, it's a Chevy S10. Older Chevy S10. This thing is pretty cool, y'all. This thing was probably riding. Just got hit. No, they was mad. Got the oil catch can right there. That was a pretty nice looking truck, don't y'all think? Yeah, I like that truck. That's a good little size truck. I like the little small trucks. Speaking of small trucks, now we got the Ford Ranger right here. 172 on the miles. Little bitty tires, ain't they? This truck look like it been sitting up, definitely. XLT, super dirty. It's not the stick shift, so pop the hood, see if they got some power and stuff on this joint. Look like it just been sitting for a while though. Hustle Nation definitely look like it been sitting for a while. Let's get right into it though. See, the interior don't look bad though. 172 on the missiles. Of course, Nizat doesn't crank up. Let's see. I'm gonna join that right there. See what the motor looking like. Let's see what's up this truck, man. Yeah, it's just been sitting. Need some power. Alright, we'll have to come back to this one. Get this one cranked up. I'm gonna come back to that one there. So, next up we got this GMC Envoy. Now this is the same Envoy y'all seen me flip on my channel a while back. Y'all new to the channel, y'all didn't see it, but had one of these. Didn't make no money off of it. Well, I did, just a little bit of money though. These are pretty cool because the little back pops out off and it like becomes like a pickup truck type. Leather interior. I forgot if the one I had leather though. It's dirty in this joint. Probably no power. Mine didn't open up or nothing though, so 214 on these miles. Mine had 160, I do remember that. But this truck is kind of rough here. This shit don't crank up either. See what the motor looking like up in this thing real quick. Oh shit, it's about to start raining, I think. It is. It is. Let's walk over here real quick. Got the big Tundra. Y'all know I don't like to look at the crash stuff, so I can't do nothing with it. Take me forever to sell it, and it is about to start raining, so goddamn. Let's see what we got though. We got this little Mazda. Oh, the top messed up on it. These old drop tops and stuff always be messing up. 170 on the miles. Oh, it's a stick shift. Y'all know I don't mess with these. Let's keep it moving and grooving. See what else they got in here. Got this Benz right here. Damn, this Benz clean. Ooh. That interior is shining too. Ah, it's a hybrid. S400. I ain't know these came in hybrids, y'all. Got that tan. That thing is tan. Smell like, I don't know. What the hell happened to this car though? Got them championship rings right there. Let's see. Let's see if we crank him up. No, it don't crank up. That joint the hybrid though. No, these gonna have all types of problems, all types of issues. Where the hood latch? Damn, what the fuck? The hood latch on this goddamn car. What the hell? All the way in the back. Yeah, this one got no damage on it though. The interior is looking nasty. The interior looking real nasty there. I'm trying to see why this car is here. I'm tampering with it. Oh, that's why it's here. Somebody been fucking with it. Always got burnt. Goddamn hybrids. Goddamn hybrids. Y'all who want those hybrids, got to be careful. Let's keep it moving. All right, we got another clear title car right here. Looks like this one also been sitting up, just like our Ford truck over there. Yeah, I don't think I'm even interested in this here. Not old school Benz. I used to want one of these. Let's see. This is the 400E. Which one did I used to want? It's like the 190 or 180 or something like that. The 4-door, the old 4-door, like a 91 or something. Thought those were pretty cool. I forgot what it's called. It's like the 190 or 180 or some shit. Let's see what this one looking like. This one's on my list too, this Acura RL. Haven't had one of these before. Now, even though it does have the front, damn, even though the front is messed up, it is a clear title. Damn, I didn't know it was this messed up. Yeah, this too messed up for me, y'all. Could have sworn this shit had this clear title. I know this is the one. Maybe it's not. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's it. Got some popcorn on the ground for you. Got some popcorn on the ground for you. Let's see if you crank up. Oh, I like this. This little knob right here, but of course it's not gonna crank up. Nope. I ain't never even seen no Acura want one of these though. But y'all know we don't want this. They go to I think this is the caddy that was here last week. That disappointed me because it was smoking. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Do y'all bring y'all own popcorn to the movies? Or do y'all buy they popcorn? Let me know in the comments below. I got the M5 for you. Damn, that joint looking nice right there. What y'all think? People like putting the little colors on there. Oh, these just come right off. Nice little addition, right? They be putting these on there. Dark the lights out. M5, they missing one, ain't they? They missing the white one. Yeah, the white one popped off. This M clean right here though. I haven't had the M before, but I've had the oh, this boy about to crank up. Definitely about to crank this joint out. Damn, it's dusty as hell. Haven't had the M before, but I've had. Damn, what have I had? I only have one of these one of these. Got a stupid good deal on it too. 2,600. Okay. Pushing the button, this shit don't want to start. Pushing the brake. Y'all see me pushing the brake, right? Got some stuff right here. Maybe it ain't got no power though. I'm doing it right. I know I'm doing it right, y'all, right? Shit. Power. Yeah, this shit just don't want to crank up. Oh, is it in neutral? Hold up. Hold up. Neutral. Let's see. Yeah, no power. It wasn't in drive. I mean park. But anyway, it don't crank up, so turn this off. It's starting to rain more. Damn. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I think we got that one that Jeep down there. That Jeep down there was looking pretty nice. What's going on? Let's look at this Jeep right here. It's like I told y'all, man, they ain't really got nothing out here today. But just wanted to come anyway. Sometimes you think they don't got nothing and you look up. Oh, that Kia's for sale too. But let's check this out right here. This is one clean Cherokee. Boy, look at the aftermarket headlights on it too. Like that. Damn, the tires good. They got some nice little wheels on it. Cherokee Sport. The body's in excellent condition. Looked like it was damn near painted or something, right? It's a nice truck. 132,000 miles. Uh-oh. What is this? Got some stuff in the back. Damn, now the door ain't gonna close. Alright, let's get in this thing. Ugh, it's starting to rain in the man. Alright. Starting to rain in this thing. Okay. Oh shit. Alright. What year is this? 01. Okay, we got the battery going back up like it's supposed to. And 132,000 miles. Oil level is up there. Is that oil level high or what? Is it supposed to be like right there? Let me know in the comments below. Damn, the AC is working? Hold up. AC is working, y'all. That AC is working, man. Straight up. What y'all think about this truck? Let's see. Ooh. Okay, drive got a little dump in it. It might just supposed to be. It's an older truck. It might just supposed to do that. Nah, maybe that's too hard, huh? It don't sound bad. It's not like a thump. It's just, I think it's a Jeep, man. It's supposed to be doing that. 132,000 miles. This thing is clean, though. I gotta see what's in these boxes though. Interior something it says. Might not be for this truck. Let me pull this truck up a little bit. Oh shit. Yeah. Kinda like this truck, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. I see it's raining, don't you? Yeah, it's rocks. Yeah, it's moving though. Alright, so I'm gonna check this one out, guys. Let's get back out here real quick in the rain and check the up under the hood. Let's see what we gonna get. Well, I'm gonna let this one down so when I come back it won't. I don't wanna get locked out. Oh man, damn. Time for that. It's raining out here, man. Can't get my fingers in that bed, man. Oh. Let's see. Man. Give me a second, y'all. All right, we got it open. Had to sacrifice a glove, but we got it open. Looks like a brand new water pump on there. Don't that look brand new to y'all? That looks brand new to me. Man, this old this truck actually looks pretty decent. So I don't want to close this because I had a minute to okay, I'll leave it right there. Look at the lights, they blink and everything. Y'all see it? But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about this one, man. I'm about to check this one out. I'm about to do my inspection, my wehustledaily.com inspection. Y'all make sure y'all check the website out, because that's what I'm about to do. While it rains. Alright, sit while I sit in here. Get my inspection on. Ooh, and that AC blowing cold, y'all. So, it is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. I greatly appreciate it, man. It's raining out here. I'm about to do my whole full inspection, everything that I do. Hold on, let me turn this AC off because it is cold because it's raining. Everything I do in wehustledaily.com, everything I do, all my tips and tricks to eliminate my risk on buying a lemon, I'm about to do, and I'm about to check this car out right here, right now. So make sure y'all check the website out, man. Everything I do. I'm saying I'm gonna make sure it's a good truck before I buy it. So make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray. Big Play Ray. I'm gone. Peace.